In this video, I will be talking about how to ensure a successful pepper germination. Hi everyone, this is Marley and welcome back to Gardening in Kentucky YouTube channel. Peppers with their vibrant colors and varied flavors are a staple in many gardens. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, understanding the intricacies of pepper germination is key to a bountiful harvest. From selecting the right seeds to providing optimal conditions, here's a comprehensive guide to ensuring successful pepper germination. Tip number 1. Choose quality seeds. Begin with high-quality pepper seeds from a reputable supplier. Look for seeds that are fresh, viable, and suited to your growing region and preferences. Varieties range from sweet bell peppers to fiery chili peppers, so select those best suited to your taste and climate. Tip number 2. Prepare the soil. Peppers thrive in well-draining, nutrient-rich soil. Start by filling seed trays or pots with a seed starting mix or a blend of peat moss, perlite, and vermiculite. Ensure the soil is moist but not waterlogged before planting the seeds. Tip number 3. Plant at the right depth. Pepper seeds should be planted at a depth of 1/4 to 1/2 inch in the soil. Use your finger or a small tool to create a shallow depression in the soil for each seed, then gently cover them with soil. Tip number 4. Provide warmth and moisture. Peppers require warm soil and consistent moisture to germinate successfully. Aim to keep the soil temperature between 75 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit or 24 to 29 degrees Celsius during the germination period. You can achieve this by using a seedling heat mat or placing the seed trays in a warm, sunny location. Tip number 5. Ensure adequate light. Once the seeds have germinated and seedlings have emerged, provide them with ample light. Place the seedlings in a bright location or use grow lights to supplement natural sunlight. Aim for 12 to 16 hours of light per day to promote healthy growth. Tip number 6. Maintain consistent moisture. While it's important to keep the soil moist during germination, avoid overwatering as this can lead to fungal diseases and damping off. Water the seedlings gently and consistently, ensuring the soil remains evenly moist but not waterlogged. Tip number 7. Transplant seedlings carefully. Once the seedlings have developed several true leaves and are sturdy enough to handle, they can be transplanted into larger pots or directly into the garden. Take care not to disturb the delicate roots during transplanting and provide adequate spacing between plants to allow for proper growth. By following these steps and providing the optimal growing conditions, you can ensure successful pepper germination and cultivate healthy, productive plants in your garden. With patience, care, and a little green thumb know-how, you'll be enjoying a bountiful harvest of delicious peppers in no time. If you learned something from this video or if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you'll never miss a video. Thank you for watching and happy gardening!